Alright, so first thing we're going to do is go to second matrix, and we're going to edit and put in a 2 by 3. And 2. Alright, then you want to go to your home screen. Let's clear that out. And we want to go to second matrix. Second matrix. We want to go to math. And we're going to find RREF, which is right here. And we've got to tell it matrix A, so second matrix 1. And hit enter, and you see it gives us this. If we want the fractions, we say math, enter, enter, and it transfers or makes it into fractions. So, oh, where'd it go? There it is. Alright, so let's see what's next. Alright, solve the following system. First we're going to want to make the augmented matrix, and then we're going to RREF it, and this is what you should get. Now what happened here? Notice that the identity is gone, or this should be a 1 and we should have 2 zeros. So when is 0 equal to 0? Yes. So therefore, let me move this down a little so you can see it. Therefore, there are infinitely many solutions. At least 2 planes are the same, and it's a consistent system. The reason that it says planes is because it's X, Y, Z. It's not just a line. It's actually a 3-dimensional plane. Okay, so solve the following system. Make the augmented matrix, RREF it, and now you see this. Now the difference here in the last one is this is 0 equals to 1. So when is 0 equal to 1? Never. So therefore there are no solutions. That means that two of the planes are parallel. Once again, it's a plane because it's 3 variables, and it's called an inconsistent system. The first, fourth, and sixth would need to be 1s. Solve the following system. Okay, this one is doing it by Gauss-Jordan. So I'll go through here, and if you need to see me do it in class, I will. Remember, 5 times row 2 plus row 3. Leave it in row 3. Now they did it a little bit different, getting the zeros, this 0 last. It doesn't really matter how you do it. But in this case, 1, x would equal 1, y would equal 0, and 1, z would equal 1. Okay, this is the word problem. First thing we want to do is set up the system. Look at the last sentence and pick out the variables. It says x equal to milk, y equal to meat, and z equal to bread. That means that one equation will represent iron, one will represent protein, and one will represent carbohydrates. So here, all of these numbers talked about milk. All of these numbers talked about meat. All of these numbers talked about bread. this would have been the total, probably for iron. This would be the total of protein, and this would be the total of carbohydrates. So now we can just make our augmented matrix, solve it on the calculator, and we find that in order to get the recommended nutrients, we would need 4 glasses of milk, 1.5 quarter-pound servings of meat, and 3 2-slice servings of bread need to be eaten. If you have any questions, be sure to write them down and ask me in class.